Hey guys, today we shall be replacing the front brake discs and linings. The rear ones are still okay, so we will skip that job for now. Jack up the car and remove the wheels. As per manual, the brake pads should be replaced if the thickness is less than 2 mm and the wear sensor will be triggered at 4 mm. Our disc thickness was 23.2 mm out of 25 mm. The minimum disc thickness is 22 mm. We decided also to replace the discs. Remove the retaining springs. We had quite a struggle removing them. I would suggest replacing them with new ones. Remove the caps and unscrew the caliper guiding bolts. Now use the screwdriver to depress the calipers. Our car comes with a wear sensor. Some cars don't have it, you would have to cut off the sensor cable on your new pads. Now unplug the connector and hang the caliper on the strut. Let's remove the brake disc and the caliper carrier bracket. Clean the bearing hub surface. Clean and grease the carrier bracket with the brake paste. Unpacking time. As you can see, the mean thickness is stamped on the disc. It is 22 mm. Ideally, you also need to measure the flatness of the bearing, but we have skipped this step since the car doesn't have any vibrations. Install new discs. I would suggest using new screws, they tend to break. Clean the carrier bolts and install the carrier. Manual doesn't require replacing them. Remove the old pads and clean the piston surface. Now it's time to push in the pistons. We've opened the brake fluid reservoir to monitor the level of the brake fluid during the compression of the piston. Fluid level barely increased. Now grease the piston and the pads with the brake paste and install them. Clean the caliper guiding bolts and install them. Finish off with the installation and tighten the wheel bolts to 120 Nm. Take it easy with braking for the next 200 kilometers. That's it, and see you on the next one.